Hi. Hello. Yes, I'm here to pick up my daughter.
Your daughter's name?
Rory Gilmore. Lorelai Gilmore. She goes by Rory. I don't know what you have her under.
Rory Gilmore.
Well, that's good, because she'll answer to that. Not that she won't to the other, but...
She'll be out in a minute.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, when you say she'll be out, do you mean out of a cell?
Yep.
So she was in a cell.
That's where we usually put people when they're arrested.
Was she in the cell alone?
It was a slow night. She had the place to herself.
Oh, that's good. I mean, not that she's a snob. She can get along with anyone. It's just, it was her first time in a cell, so I didn't want her to be attacked, you know, like in Caged Heat? Or was it Switchblade Sisters? Anyway.
Everybody up. I'm only going to say this once. Somebody copped a bottle of stimulants from the medical station. And I'm going to get it back if I have to wring out every one of you like a dish rag. All rec periods are canceled till the turn's up. Okay, everybody, hands out front.
That's Mom's Smackley Mag. Better watch out for her. She gets funny ideas, especially about the new girls.
Shove it.
Why, hello, Lace. Back so soon?
I missed your smiling face, Mom.
Let me see your hands.
Wait a second. So nice to see you again, Smackley.
Oh, hey. What do we got here? What's your name, cutie pie?
Maggie.
She a Deb?
Nope.
Good. You're smart. Maybe we can become, friends. You see, Maggie, the gang spoils it for good girls like you who get in here by mistake. But friends help each other. You know what I mean?
Get your hands off of me, you fat pig dyke.
All right. All right. Lie down. Got a search inside.
Oh, no, you don't.
Put her down, girls. Full of ginger, aren't you, huh? I know how to cool off hot little chippies like you. Come on, take her to the Johns.
Give him hell, Maggie.
Come on. Pretty hair, huh? I'm taking a out. I bet you're a regular little hooker, huh? Well, we're gonna teach you how to be real good. We're all alone. And honey, we got all night. Put her down here, girls.
Shit.
I said I was gonna search inside, so by God, I'm gonna do it. My ear. That dirty bitch, you bit my ear. I'm gonna freak out.